How to find XRP destination tag on Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, let's see what is an XRP destination tag. So in XRP transaction, a destination tag is an extra piece of information that helps identify an account to which a given Ripple transaction will be assigned and credited. Now as an example, if I open up my Binance and let's say I want to send some XRP to my Trust wallet and click on the network, and if I select the Ripple as a network, as you can see there is an option of tag. Now this is the destination tag, or you can also call it memo at the same time. It acts as a unique identifier, ensuring that the funds are correctly credited to the intended recipient's account. Now unfortunately on the Trust wallet you cannot have the XRP destination tag. If I search for it and go for the first one and click on receive button, as you can see no destination tag is required. But if you select some other network rather than selecting the Ripple, you don't need any destination tag. So the answer to the question of how you can find XRP destination tag on Trust wallet, unfortunately there is no such an option on Trust wallet right now where you can go with XRP tag. So hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.